Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise to the attention of this August House to an important matter concerning the ongoing widening and upgradation of National Highway 66, the vital corridor connecting Mumbai and Goa. This highway serves as the primary road link between the Konkan region of Maharashtra and Goa, plays a crucial role in tourism, trade, transportation of goods, and overall regional connectivity and development. This project of modern four-lane highway corridor was sanctioned more than a decade ago with an objective of improving connectivity, enhancing road safety, reducing travel time between Mumbai and Goa, and making the journey smoother and faster for lakhs of travelers, tourists, and daily commuters. The completion of this highway will also greatly benefit the transportation of goods. Faster and smoother freight movement will support industries, agriculture, fisheries, and small businesses across the Konkan belt and Goa. However, despite its importance, the project has faced repeated delays due to land acquisition issues, environmental clearances, design modification, contractor-related challenges, and the traffic management constraint. As a result, several stretches continue to face bottlenecks, incomplete bridges, unfinished bypasses, and uneven road conditions. The situation became particularly severe during the monsoon season. Heavy rainfall further worsens already incomplete stretches, leading to traffic congestion and an increased risk of accident. This causes immense hardship to daily commuters and poses serious safety concerns for all road users. Given the strategic and economic importance of this highway and approaching monsoon, it is imperative that the project be completed at the earliest on a priority and time-bound basis. Chairman, sir, I therefore request the government to take immediate steps to expedite the remaining work on National Highway 66, ensure better coordination among all stakeholders, and provide a clear timeline for its early completion, especially before the onset of the upcoming monsoon. Thank you, sir.